Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning to our prospective bidders. Since we have a quorum, this Revit conference will now come to order. And to present to us the details of the projects and other concerns relative to the procurement of these three projects, the 24 phase 0029, 0034, and 0046. May I turn over the floor to Engineer John Ray Sabayo for the presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, this private conference involves three civil projects with the following details. The first project has a contract ID number of 24PF0029 and the contract name of Construction of Flood Mitigation Structure along Agno River, Panigan Section, Station 3 plus 228 to Station 4 plus 402, both sides, Bugyes, Benguet. It has an approved budget of 62,725,000 and a contract duration of 277 calendar days. The bid opening of this project will be on May 30, 2024, that is Thursday. And this project has the major work of construction of flood mitigation structures such as the stone masonry with armor. The next project has a contract ID number of 24PF0034 and a contract name of Construction of Flood Mitigation Structure along Agno River, Sarangao Section, Station 0 plus 022 to Station 0 plus 306, both sides, Bugyes, Benguet. This project has an approved budget of 19,600,000 and a contract duration of 201 calendar days. Bid opening will be on May 30, 2024. This project has a predetermined unworkable days of 28 calendar days. And the major works here includes stone masonry with armor. And the third project has a contract ID number of 24PF0046 with the title of Carriageway Improvement, Secondary Roads, Baguio Bontoc Road, KO327 plus 250 to K0327 plus 700. This project has an approved budget of 10,697,680 with a contract duration of 95 calendar days and 13 calendar days of predetermined unworkable days. The bid opening of this project will be on May 30, 2024, and the major works includes of carriageway improvement and paving of shoulders and construction of roads, low protection structures.
What is the name of the project site? For those non-technical, known as Q327.
Biosection, sir. Yes, sir. So that's all for the details of the three projects. May I now return the floor to the chairman. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation, Engineer Sabayo. Do we have questions or clarifications from our prospective partners? Malco Construction. Okay, so about do you have viewers? Okay, so from the other members of the committee, any reminders or concerns? None? So, there being none, do I hear any motion for adjournment of this activity?
Mr. Chairman, since there are no more matters to be discussed, I move that this conference be ended.
Okay, so it has been moved and seconded, so the motion is approved. This private conference is hereby adjourned. Thank you.